I am Noor. I am 29. I am an architect from Karakosh. Before we ran away from Karakosh, it was like a paradise for me, like a heaven. And after I returned, it was like a hell. It was like I smell things so bad I can't even imagine. Blood, dirt, bodies, and it was like a ghost town. Many Christians have left Iraq, and also I thought about that because of the insecurity, and I think about my future of my little daughter. But we decided to move on, to go and build the city. And so in the reconstruction committee, I am an architect. I work there and do the information, the data, like an administrations. I dream of Karakosh, my town. It will be better than before, like paradise. Me and every single Christian in Iraq, we are proud and thankful for every Christian in the whole world that you are thinking of us, praying for us, and we are so grateful to you that you are helping us even with your prayers. So thank you.